Would you go on a date with me?
Today, I decided to ask out random people on a date. You know me, right? I'm a 6-foot alpha male BBC. So I was like, you know what? Let me go and share my gifts to the public. Let me go and ask out some random girls, cause I'm just feeling generous, you know?
So what's your name?
I'm Ellie.
Ellie. Ethan, nice to meet you. So the question is, and think about it, right? It's a deep question.
Yeah, right.
Would you go on a date with me?
I have a boyfriend.
Okay, she said that she had a boyfriend because I think she was a bit too shy to say it on camera because, you know, I do usually make girls shy. But then she later gave me a number and she also said that she wanted to have my kids, which was kind of direct. But unfortunately, even though my camera is like $4,000, it did overheat, so it didn't record the full interaction.
I feel like you were pretty charismatic.
Okay.
You were nice, yeah.
So yeah, out of the blue, she just started glazing me and stuff, but I didn't want to include all that footage because I don't want to, you know, show off to you guys and I don't want to make you guys jealous, and I'm also living a humble life. But like, I appreciate the gesture, but she didn't have to do all that.
I'm Poppy.
Basically, this question is very deep, right? So you got to really think and like, you know, psychological, right?
Okay.
Ready? The question is, would you go on a date with me?
I have a boyfriend.
Okay, sorry to interrupt once again, but she basically said that she was actually joking because it was April at the time of recording this video. You know, funny little April Fool's joke. And she gave me her number after. I would have included that footage, but unfortunately there was a guy using a leaf blower in the background, so it was really loud, you know, and I didn't want to ruin the viewing experience.
So what's your name?
Charlotte.
Charlotte, okay. Would you go on a date with me, out of the blue?
No, I have a boyfriend.
Yo, did you guys catch that?
No.
So as you can see right here, she looked down and she basically said no because I think she actually noticed that I had a BBC and she might have gotten afraid because it could be too much to handle, you know? So out of pure fear, I guess she decided to go with a safer option and just say no. Look, I know a lot of people can't fear the BBC that I do uphold down there, but hey, it is what it is, man.
The answer determines the rest of the world.
Oh, okay.
So it's that deep.
Alright.
Would you go on a date with me?
No.
Alright, bro, it's me again. Sorry to interrupt once again, but as you can see in the background, bro, there was just so many bugs and shit over there because of all the plants, you know? So the climate was very bad and it was really hot, so I guess she wanted to leave fast, so she just wanted to, you know, quickly say no. But don't worry, she gave me a number afterwards anyway, so it's W's. And also, if you hear some noises in the back, I'm so sorry. It's just my multiple hoes, you know, they're just like being loud over there. Yo, babe, I'm coming, just wait. But I just wanted to quickly remind you to just subscribe to this channel if you enjoy the content because I'm trying to hit 10K subs, so yeah, just help me out, my man.
Wait, what's your name?
Emily.
Emily, nice to meet you. So basically the question is, would you go on a date with me?
If you can make her giggle, you can make a booty cheek jiggle.
Well, no, because I have a boyfriend.
Would you go on a date with me?
With you?
Yeah.
Well, I have a partner at the moment.
It's me again. So yeah, she said she had a partner because she knew I was famous and stuff and she didn't want her partner to watch this video, which is fair enough. But then she gave me a number later and she also asked for an autograph because she probably thought I was like famous or something. So it was a pretty cool fan interaction.
How could I have approached you better, or like that would increase or decrease the chances?
You want to approach someone when they're...
You shall never ask the fish how to catch a fish. Instead, you should ask the fisherman.
Alright, bro, so I've asked like 20 or like 30 people, literally, and half of them didn't want to be on camera. So yeah, but I'm gonna still keep asking, so let's get it. Yes, sir. Oh, frick. Would you go on a date with me?
No.
Basically the question, right? And you got to really think about it. It's like a really psychological question. Okay? Would you go on a date with me?
No. The reason is because I'm seeing somebody else.
Also, while filming this video, I actually came across the most beautiful place I've ever seen on this planet Earth. Like, I'm thinking about just getting all my hoes to this place and just treating them with a nice day out. Like, look at this place, bro. This is straight out of like heaven. I'm thinking about having a picnic with all my hoes here. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments if this is a good spot.
Yo, this video idea is kind of fire. I think the next video idea is going to be asking 100 men out. Okay, so basically, this question is very deep. You need to think about it. Okay, you ready? It's just one question.
Yeah, go.
Would you go on a date with me?
I
That's the question.
Have a partner.
Yo, look. She moaned.
Partner.
She was definitely feeling me here, bro, 100%. But I guess it's just like she got too shy, so she couldn't admit it on camera.
I've got Ben here. It's a bit unexpected because the question was for girls, but it's okay. You know, sword on sword action. Would you go on a date with me?
Yeah.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
And whatever comes to your mind, just say it, alright? Would you go on a date with me?
No, I don't date.
Bro, what do you mean I don't date? I don't know what she was waffling about because she literally gave me a number right after I ended the video. And then later, because I was feeling so generous, I actually decided to go over to her place and yeah, we just got to work, you know? I started doing combos on her that I didn't even know existed.
Bro, I'm getting tired of walking, but I'm getting my steps in, so it's kind of good. So what's your name?
I'm Freya.
Freya.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. Whatever comes to your mind, just say it.
Okay.
Would you go on a date with me?
Maybe when I'm free.
Yo, boys, you see that? Bro, look at her eyes, bro. She's like hitting on me, man. Like, I think I was making her blush so hard she couldn't even keep straight eye contact. Look at it, look at it. What did I tell you, bro? I'm him. I'm telling you, man. I be pulling girls left, right, and center, bro. So yeah, this is another one of those casual instances where I just end up bagging girls, you know, because like, it's like second nature to me at this point. But yeah, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Once again, I'm telling you, it's easy to pull women if you look like me. So yeah, definitely subscribe right here, and I'll see you in the next video. Alright, peace.